Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and have you ever had a manic Monday? Well, I have, but not today. So today I received a package in the mail and I wanted to unbox it for you. It is not a diamond painted, but it is diamond painting related. So let's take a look, let's dive in and see what the postmaster dropped off at my doorstep. See you in a minute. So here we are again with another unboxing. And the thumbnail probably showed you a little hint that this is not a diamond painting, but it is diamond painted related. It is from ELICE, and I just want to say that they have made my dreams come true. Ever since Stitcherista, somebody I watch, purchased an item similar to this, I have been drooling over it. However, I have not had the ability to purchase it because it's been out of my price range. But this amazing company has made something where it is in my price range. It most likely is in your price range if you save a penny or two. It's the equivalent of a medium quality diamond painting. So I hope you enjoy this as we unbox it. So here we go. I just cut it open just to have it cut. So here we go. Comes in the Amazon box. And as you, oops, oh! And look, it is a battery operated light pad. Hokey Pete's. All right. So I don't know if up here means that it could potentially come in different color options. I know on Amazon, the link's down below, it only comes in the option black when I looked at it. However, this may be that, wouldn't that be awesome to have different color, note to self, different color light pads? I do know that Crafty Mint, which I'm saving up for, has a white light pad. But hint, hint, hint. All right. So here we go. Let's open this up. And look, it is an ELICE. And you pull it out. There are no wires. Isn't that awesome? Okay. And then, see here. And then this is just showing who inspected it. All right. So we're going to move this box out of the way so we can get a close-up view to what this is. All right, this is the peel the protective off. I'm not going to do that at this time while I'm showing you. All right, so this is a lithium battery bright pad. They have a product brief. When brightness on the light pad is very low, it will need to be charged. It shows you that right here on the side is the on off and the brightness. Here is where you're going to plug in the charging cable. And then it shows you how to sketch and then to turn off the power. All right. And it says under normal circumstances, 5 to 6 hours can be used. After charging for 2 hours, the red indicator light indicates it's charging and the blue indicator light indicates it's full. All right, let's get this baby plugged in and see what's going on. At first glance, I think they should include a plug that actually plugs into your wall. I know that I personally have a power strip, and I bought it with these in it because more and more light pads and computer accessories, things like that, come with that USB port. All right, so we're going to plug this in over here. And then I'm going to just plug this into my computer for right now, just so we can see it light up to show if it's charging or not. Hello, are you charging? Well, it works if it's plugged in. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brightnesses, people. 5. That's awesome. All right. Where is this blue light they speak of? There's an indicator light. Let me plug it in maybe to the actual plug outlet. Maybe it just needs more juice. So I don't know where this blue indicator light is supposed to be. I know this is like kind of boring for you. I'm just trying to figure out where the indicator light is. I don't know. Well, if I find it, I'll let you know. Maybe mine didn't get an indicator light attached to it. I could be completely missing it. I don't see it anywhere on here. The one thing I do notice is you need to be careful. I think it keeps, like this top layer keeps trying to come off. So it looks like this sticky tape they used, I might end up doing like super glue or something to keep that down. And that's not a problem for me because nothing's wrong with the actual pad itself. A light pad is really just a plastic overlay. I'm not worried about it. It's super easy to make more sturdy. The underneath part is very sturdy. This top part, very sturdy. When you're drilling, you're gonna be fine. This measures, the light pad itself is, like the light part is 12 inches, otherwise it's a 13. So this is like a 12 by 8.5 or a 13 by 9 3/4 inches if you're doing inches. But I am super excited. I am actually, what I like about this too is it has a little lift because of the battery unit that's in it. So that's really cool because it elevates it just slightly to give you a little rise, which actually helps sometimes with diamond painting. All right, I'm gonna slip it under here and let's see the brightness levels. All right, so there's number 1. Let me see, I gotta find the switch. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So yes, it gets pretty bright. You can see everything very clearly. So I am definitely gonna charge this, and I'm gonna be working on a snack project because this is my collab project I don't want to get too far ahead on. So I am going to be switching tonight to a snack project, and I am going to be trying this light pad out, and you may see it in future videos. Let's see how much it cost. Let's see, Amazon. Woohoo! I do have the link down below, but I do want to give you the cost right now. It is currently $32.99, but as of today, which is September 28th, there is a $2 coupon. So you can get it for just about $30 to $31. Awesome price, guys. Awesome price. And I can't wait to use this and let you know how I like it. And I will talk to you guys later because I am going to go try out my new light pad. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.